Hello friends and family, welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Vivian Empire. Today, I want to tell you 7 secrets that your bank don't want you to know. Banks operate as profit-driven institutions, and there are several financial secrets they prefer you not to know. Here are 7 of them in detail. 1. Banks make more money when you stay in debt. Banks thrive on interest payments from loans, mortgages, and credit cards. They encourage you to take on debt but only pay the minimum balance each month. Why? Because the longer you owe, the more interest they collect. Many people end up paying 2 to 3 times the original loan amount over time due to interest and fees. Advice: always pay more than the minimum payment on credit cards. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt first. Debt avalanche method. Refinance loans when interest rates are lower. 2. Overdraft fees are a huge profit machine. Banks make billions from overdraft fees each year. They sometimes process larger transactions first, even if smaller transactions could clear without overdrawing the account. This strategy increases the chances of triggering multiple overdraft fees instead of just one. Advice: set up low balance alerts on your account. Link your checking account to a savings account for overdraft protection. Use banks that offer no overdraft fee accounts. 3. Credit card reward points are a trap for overspending. Credit card companies promote cashback, travel rewards, and bonuses to make you spend more. However, if you don't pay your balance in full, the interest you pay far outweighs the rewards you earn. Advice: use credit cards only if you can pay them off in full every month. Avoid impulse purchases just to earn points. Look for rewards cards with no annual fees and real benefits. 4. Free checking isn't always free. Many banks offer free checking, but they hide fees in the fine print. These can include maintenance fees, ATM fees, and minimum balance penalties. Advice: choose banks that truly offer no-fee checking, especially online banks. Read the fine print and ask about hidden fees before opening an account. Keep the required minimum balance to avoid penalties. 5. Banks invest your money and keep the profits. When you deposit money into your account, banks don't just let it sit there. They lend it out for loans and investments, making huge profits while giving you almost nothing in interest. Advice: instead of keeping large sums in a regular savings account, consider high-yield savings accounts, money market accounts, or CDs. Invest in stocks, bonds, or real estate instead of relying on bank interest. 6. Refinancing loans might not always save you money. Banks advertise refinancing as a way to lower your monthly payments, but what they don't tell you is that you often restart your loan term, meaning you end up paying more interest in the long run. Advice: do the math. Compare the total cost of the original loan versus the refinanced loan. If refinancing, choose a shorter-term loan instead of resetting to a longer period. Check for hidden fees like closing costs and prepayment penalties. 7. You can negotiate fees and interest rates. Most people don't realize that many bank fees, including credit card interest rates and overdraft fees, are negotiable. If you have a good history with the bank, they may waive fees or lower your interest rate, but only if you ask. How to beat this? Call your bank and ask for a fee waiver, especially for overdraft or late fees. If you have a high credit score, ask for a lower credit card APR. Shop around and use competitor offers to negotiate better terms. Thus, banks profit from lack of financial knowledge. The more you educate yourself, the less money you'll lose to unnecessary fees, interest, and traps. Want to outsmart the banks? Be proactive, read the fine print, and never be afraid to negotiate. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe to Vivian Empire, like, comment and share.
Iterambere Jari SCPLC iki ni ikigo cy'imari iciriritse kibarutswe na Jari Investment Limited ku ishoramari rya RFTC. Umudende wacu ni ukuguha serivisi nziza kandi zihuse kuko dufungura konti ku buntu, ukabitsa, ukabikuza, ukizigama, ukungukirwa. Akarusho kandi abashoferi, abamotari, amakoperative n'abacuruzi nitwe ba mbere tugufasha ukagera ku nzozi zawe, ugatera ishoti ubukene. Ayiwe mama, abanyamishahara mwashyizwe igorora kuko tugukubira inshuro 16 zose. Erega turacyari ku isonga kuko igiciro cy'inguzanyo iwacu kiraciriritse. Tugane tugufashe kuko iwacu hariranga. Ni Nyabugogo mu nzu y'amashyirahamwe Modern Market ku muhanda ujya Kimisagara ahateganye na Wasac. Mwavunyisha kuri 0788 30 71 84.